Simon, here's your homework, and one for you, and one for you. Doug, turn around.
Bro, that's close now. New record. Oh my god.
Ah.
Look at that.
Simon's friend. Here is your homework. And this one. And this one. Stop! This one too.
Wait a minute. This is a lot more than everybody else.
Well, I like to base on how much homework each student gets off their intellect. You know, the smarter you are, the more homework you can obviously handle, right?
Wait, then why isn't Greg getting a bunch of homework? He's like the smartest one in here.
Shut up, William! Simon's friend. Now, everyone has the whole weekend to complete their homework assignment, and it is due the Monday that we get back. Except for you, young man. You have to complete all of this within the hour. What? And if you fail, you get a 0 on every assignment I just gave you.
What the? Do you see what I mean? He has an outfit.